Okay, you are welcome back to this training. I still remain Ismail Olawale. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate content for your book, how you can create a book without you writing it. I'm going to show you how you can generate content for a book without you writing it. Even if you are not an author, you don't know how to write any book, or you don't even understand how a book look like. I'm going to show you the easy way you will get content to write a book in this video. So all you need to do is just follow the process I'm going to show you. In the previous video, we have done our book research to know the kind of book we need to write, and we've done our keyword research. We've gotten 7 keywords that are very okay for Amazon KDP. So in this video, we are going to look for how you can generate content. If you want to write a book, you need to put some words in that book, but you are not a writer, you are not an author. So how do you write a book without you being a writer or an author? I'm going to show you right here. So the process we are going to use is telling an AI to write the book for us. It is an AI generated content. The AI is trending nowadays, and the content we are going to generate will be created by an AI. I don't know, maybe you've come across this website before, but it is kind of trending for the past month. The website is called openai.com, also known as ChatGPT. So we are going to use that website to generate content for us. All we need to do is just tell the website what we want, and the website will do it for us. So let me open a new browser to show you how to generate content for your book, and how to tell the website what to do to generate content for you. So I'm going to open a new browser. So on that new browser, I'm going to type chat.openai.com. So I'll click on enter. So this is the interface. You can see login or sign up. If you already have an account, you just log in. If you don't have an account, you just sign up, where you use your email address to sign up and your phone number. But I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login, and I will log in to my account. So that's it. So I'm logging into my account. So this is how it is. This is how the website is. The website will do anything you ask it to do. Any question you need, just put it on this website, and it will answer you. It will give you the right answer. All you need to do is just know how to ask the website the right questions. If you can ask it the right question, it will give you the right answer. Just like give him the right prompt, and you get the right answer. On this left hand side, assuming you've already done anything on the website, you see the chat history on this left hand side. But if you want to write anything, if you want to tell the website to do anything, you put your message here, and you press enter, and your message will be sent, and the AI will return the message, will reply your message. So this is the interface of the ChatGPT website, and we want to create a book. We've done our research already, so we want to create a book on adult children of emotionally immature parents. So when creating a book, when creating a book with this website, the first thing you need to do is, a book contains table of contents. So we use that aspect to tell these websites on what to do. Instead of telling the website to create a book for us, it might go elsewhere, but we use the table of content narrative to tell the website what to do, and after that we start asking him questions on each table of contents. I will show you what I mean by that. So the first step you need to do is just tell the website to create a table of contents based on the book you want to create to generate content for. Okay, let me show you. Just tell it to write a table of content, create a table of contents sorry, table of contents on adult children, of emotionally mature parents. Then click on enter. So the website will create that table of content for you. It's still loading. You can see it is already creating table of content for you. So you don't need to stress yourself for anything again. This is it. You can see the table of content has been created. You can see here is a possible table of content on the topic of introduction. This is the heading, subheading, characteristics of emotional input, the heading, subheading, then effective mature, heading, subheading. You can see the table of content has been created. So if you have this kind of table of content, that means you've already gotten a book. So the next thing you need to do is just by using this table of content format, we start creating the book one by one. So let me show you what I mean by that. You see this introduction aspect, I'll just copy it. Then I will tell the AI to write extensively on introduction, then click on OK. So let's see what the AI does. This is what it's doing. You can see the AI is writing for us. So with this, you can generate 2 to 5 books a day, depending on how fast you are or how. So that one has done. And see, you can see the subheading. The subheading is also included. Definition of emotionally immature and understanding its impact on adult children. All those things are included. You can see understanding the impact of emotionally. The subheading is here. Then this is the definition. So the next thing is just come back, then copy this one to just the same prompt you told him the first one. Put it there. Write extensively on. Just click on enter, and it should do its works. Can see. So this one is superb. You don't need to stress yourself about thinking what to write on the book. With this method, you can create 5 to 10 books in a day. If you know what you are doing, if you master this art very well, you can generate 5 to 10 books in a day with no issue. So that one has done. I'm going to tell him to write the chapter 3. Write extensively on. Just give him the prompt and it will do the work. Let me copy chapter 4 already. I don't want to come back again. Let me copy chapter 4. So this is the chapter 3. He's already writing on it. Chapter 3. You can see. Chapter 3 is done. Let's write chapter 4. Chapter 4. Chapter 4. Still loading. You can see chapter 4 is going on. So this website can do basically anything. If you want to solve any mathematical problem, or you are a website designer, there are some prompts you just put in and it will give you the right answer or the right code you need to use for your website. If you are a backend designer, all this backend crypto stuff, it will give you the right code for you to use. So let's do this chapter 5. Right, extensively. Then after that one is conclusion. After chapter 5 is conclusion. Let me copy that one down. I think this is the last one. Conclusion. So that's the last one. Let me scroll down. Wow. So when you see a message just like this, an error just occur, all you need to do is just click on this regenerate response. Don't need to stress yourself. Just click on regenerate response and it will continue from there. So this is a new way to generate content for your books. You don't need to crack your brain about what to write inside a book. AI is taking over the world right now. It's kind of interesting. So we are writing the conclusion, which is the last chapter of the book. So we are going to write this conclusion. After this, we are done. We've created the book. Voila. And all we need to do is just format the book and publish on Amazon. That's it. So easy. So select everything. If you are done with the book, just select everything. I want to select everything. I'll select everything, then copy it, Ctrl C. I've copied, and I will open my Word document, which is Microsoft Office. This is my Word document. Then before I paste it, I will come here and paste it in my notepad. The reason why let me show you the reason why I paste it in my notepad. Let me remove it first. So I've copied from the website, so I'll just press Ctrl V, paste. Ctrl V, paste. I want to show you the reason why I want to paste it in my notepad first before I copy it on my own. You can see the way it is. It's kind of some HTML text is kind of embedded in it. You can see there is a box, there is a line here, like a box holding the text. So I'll just undo and open a notepad, paste it on the notepad, then select everything, copy it from the notepad, then come back to my Word document and paste it on my Word document. You can see it's no more there again. So this is the content for your book. This is the content you've generated for your book, content that you upload for your books. But before we start, the next thing for us is formatting. But before we start formatting, I want to show you the setup. You need to set up your Word document rather. You need to set up your Word document so it will be okay for Amazon publishing. So before we go into formatting, let me show you how to set up your Word document. So the first thing you need to do is just go over to page layout. Then come to size. After I've gone to size, you can see more paper size. Click on it. So on that more paper size, just come over here. If this one is not 6, just change it to 6 inches. The width, while the height should be 9 inches. After you've done that, come over to the top and change it to margin. On the margin size, if this top is not 1, change it to 1. This bottom too should be 1. Then the left side should be 0.65, right is 0.65, while the gutter should be 0.25 and the position should be left. Just do it as you are seeing it on this screen right now. After you've done these two, just come back to layout. So on the layout, just change the header to 0.35 and the footer to 0.35. And when you are done, just come over here. You can come over here and click on default so that you don't have to. You click on default so you don't have to do it every time you log into. You enter your WordPress. Click on default, and the thing will change the settings. You can see. Do you want to change the default setting for page setup? If you change the settings to these settings, just click on yes to these settings and you are good. So that is how you set up the Word document for formatting. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can do your formatting very well, to format your book with this Word document for Amazon KDP. So I'm going to show you in the next video how to do that. See you in the next video.